Hey, what's going everybody? It's Glyn, hoping doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain the hash table. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So please sa barakaray.
Alright everybody, so what is hash table? A hash table, also called a hash map, is a data structure that stores key value pairs and allows very fast insertion, deletion, and searching on average in 0-1 time. It uses a hash function to convert a give key into an index or hash code, which tells the table where to store or find the value. This is an example of hash table. So let's assume that the size of hash table are represented as n. This table is called bucket. As you can see that our starting number is starting 0 and our ending is 9 because they are stored in arrays and arrays start at 0 in the most index. So let's try storing some names. Example: John, May, Yen, Jay, Mick. To store this name, we need to use ASCII table to convert each letter to ASCII value. After convert to ASCII, remember this formula. The sum of value in each character in your string is modulus n, which is the size of our table. So let's try storing some names from the word John. So let's convert using the ASCII. So J is 74, A 65, in 78. So let's add. So the total is 217. Now we compute our sum modulus in and our in is 10. The result is 7. So our remainder 7 added to the bucket index 7. So let's proceed the code. Alright everybody. So first, we start by naming our package as t example and creating our main class as t example. Here we create a method called hash t example. It takes two inputs, k, the word we want to hash, and n, the size of our hash table. We also start with a hash value of 0. Next, we loop through each character in the word. For every letter, we got each as a number using k dot char at I and add it to hash. Finally, we divide the total by the table size in and take the remainder. That gives us a valid index between 0 and n-1. For John, 217 divided 10 equals remainder 7. In the main method, we make 5 sample case: John, May, Yen, Jay, and Mick. So in equals 10. We decide our hash table will have 14 slots number 0 to 9. In this line of code, each k is passed in the hash function to find where it belongs in the table. Finally, we print each k with its hash index. So here's what happens. Each word is converted to ASCII values. Those values are added up. The sum is divided by in to get an index. We print out where each word goes in the hash table. And if two words land in the same slot, that's called a collation. So that's all. Thank you for watching.
Please sa barakaray, whatever.